चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
Today we are going to see, with the help of GitHub Copilot chat, how we can perform basic arithmetic operations. Okay, means we are going to accept two numbers from the user, and we are going to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, and all the operations will be performed by GitHub Copilot chat. Let's go into the code. Okay, so this is the GitHub Copilot chat. You can see the left icon, there is a chat icon. So this is the GitHub Copilot chat. So I'm pressing here. Okay, so here is that chatting panel is here. Okay, so now I'm going to give the code. Okay, because I'm going to do the Python code. So I'm going to give the chatting information. So it will develop for me a code, Python code to add, subtract, multiply, and divide two numbers by, we need to accept input from the user, right? Otherwise it will give its own number and it can perform the arithmetic operation. That also is fine, but I want to ask from the user. Okay, by accepting input from the user. Okay, so I am just pressing this bar. Okay, so it is thinking. You can see the GitHub Copilot prompt. Okay, so it is still okay. Yeah, it has developed the code. Okay, so you can see num1 is equal to float, input, enter the first number, enter the second number. This is for addition, this is for subtraction, this is for multiplication, and this is for division, and it is printing. Okay, guys, so now it's an important update. Okay, so as you all aware, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So, well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So, if you want to save your time and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. In here, all the installation steps of GitHub Copilot chat with Visual Studio Code and other AI tools will be explained detailed in our Be10x program. Okay, make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now let's go back to our code. Okay, so now see, this is the panel. This is my file name, AOPS. Okay, arithmetic operation, AOPS.py I have gave. Now you can see there is a small, right, 2 brick type of icon, insert a cursor, right? If I press this, all these, the code will come over here. Okay, so now it's available here, addition, subtraction, everything. Okay, now you can see the code very clearly. Okay, so num1 is here, float, enter the second number. This is the addition operation. This is the subtraction operation, multiplication, division. So now I want to run the code. Okay, so I'm running. I'm using the run without debugging option. Okay, yeah, see, you can see over here, it is asking enter the first number. Okay, I'm giving 20. Okay, and enter the second number. I'm giving 10. Okay, now let's see the magic. Okay, addition of two numbers is 30. Correct, no guys? That's the thing it has done. Subtraction of two numbers is 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. Multiplication of two numbers, it has performed 200. Division of two numbers, it's 2.0. Since we have given us float, okay. Otherwise, we should have prompted that GitHub Copilot chat, I want in integer or whichever format you want. If you have given that type of operations, you can get. So what is the best means? You can use this way, or you can copy this code and you can use in the GitHub. You can use in our Google Colab, and you can use in other ODE tools. Okay. So now we got the result. Yes, no, guys. So you can see how easy it is. Okay, so definitely this GitHub Copilot chat will save your time. It will increase your productivity. It will reduce the errors and it will improve the code quality. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the session. See you again. Bye. Take care.